Welcome to Information Processing 2080 Spreadsheet 2, Topic 2.1.5, Center Titles across a series of cells. So let's say we take this same spreadsheet, we'll make some space up top, and this is our spreadsheet title. Now we want this title to be centered across all of the columns that have data. The way we want to do that is by merging cells. You can merge them all vertically or horizontally. Here, merge all is the only option because we've only highlighted them horizontally. If we had them down a row as well, we could merge all. So that's both horizontally and vertically. We have these options. But here it's about centering titles. So we merge all, and now we have one cell that merged across all of these columns. So whatever we do to the individual columns, that one responds. And if we use our horizontal alignment we just learned about in our previous lesson to center it, now our title is centered. Because it's a title, we probably want it bolded to stand out a little more. But whatever we do to the sizes of these columns, that will stay centered. So no matter what, our title is now centered.